Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix sound or audio problem in Borderlands 4 game. So here follow the steps to fix sound problem in Borderlands 4. On your PC, click on Windows and go to Settings. Click on System, Sounds, Advanced, More Sound Settings. Click your default device, for example speaker, and select Properties. Go to Spatial Sound tab, click the drop down box and select Off, then click on Apply and then OK. If Spatial Sound is already set to off, then select Windows Sonic for headphones instead. Go to Enhancements tab, check mark Loudness Equalization and then click on Apply and then OK. Now launch Borderlands 4 and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using Bluetooth headphones, then here follow the steps. Right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select Show Bluetooth Devices. Scroll to the bottom and select More Devices and Printer Settings. Right click your headphones and select Properties. Go to Services tab, uncheck Hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device. Click Apply and then check if your problem is fixed or not. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device selected, restart the game and then test it for improvement. So by following these steps, I hope you will be able to fix the sound or audio problem in Borderlands 4 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.